example with a chord 9 units, and we have another side to it. Perpendicular to it is 4. Perpendicular to that 4 is 3. Which means that this 3 is parallel to this 9. So, since we have it like this here, you can see like this. So, we can also draw a parallel line to this one and to this one. And let's join this. So this base will also be 9. Please, I hope you are following. And from here, let me draw another chord. Let me continue this chord here. Now, let me just do something. Let's call this place A, B, C, D, E, F, and G for ease of identification. Now, from here to here, so CE will be equal to 3 plus 9, which is 12 units. EF is equal to 3 units, as given already. BE is equal to 4 units. And EG, we don't know. But we know the theorem about intersecting chords. That is, the product of the sides of the parts will be equal. That is, 12 times 3 will be equal to 4 times EG. 4 times this place. So EG will be equal to 12 times 3 divided by 4. So EG is equal to 9 units. EG is equal to 9 units. So we have been able to establish that. Since EG is equal to 9, let us now draw the diameter like this. That is the diameter for us. And let's make it from this place to this place, that is BG, is equal to 4 plus 9. And that is 13 units. CF will be equal to 3 plus 9 plus 3. And that is 15. That is 15. Get it? And you can see that from here to here is 4.5. That is, let's make this place C. Because we draw it through the center and it bisects AB. So CD is equal to 9 divided by 2, which is 4.5 units. And we can see that BG, we said it is 13. So from here to here, let's call it S. So SB will be equal to 13 divided by 2, which is 6.5. And if you look at it, O is the center. From O to D is radius. Can you see? And we have this OS is equal to CD. You can see. And OC is equal to SD. Let's write it out. OS is equal to CD, which is 4.5. SD, OC is equal to SD, which is 6.5. Now from this, you can now draw like this. And this place will be R. So, this is O, C, B, S, 4.5, 4.5, 6.5, 6.5. So, what is our R? That's going to be 4.5 squared plus 6.5 squared. And that is 62.5. So R is root of 62.5. You can see R is root of 62.5. Now let's look at it from another perspective. Let's find this place. OS, we have been able to establish that OS is equal to CD, which is half of 9, and that is 4.5. find SE. SE will be equal to SB minus EB. And from the diagram, you see that EB is equal to 4. SB is half of the sum of 4 and 9, which is 13. So it is equal to 13 over 2 minus 4, which is 6.5 minus 4, and that is 2.5. So this place is 2.5, and this place is 4.5. So what is this place going to give us? That is OE is equal to square root of 4.5 squared plus 2.5 squared, and that gives us 26.5. Now that I've gotten that, this is root of 26.5. Now let me extrapolate it to this place, and then you can see it's diameter. But we know diameter is a chord, the longest chord of the circle. Now, from here to here, and from here to here, will be equal to the product of this place and this place, or this place and this place. So let's go ahead and do it. We can see that 4 times 9 from here to here is r plus root of 26.5. R plus root of 26.5 multiplied by r. This place to this place is r minus root of 26.5, from this place to this place, minus root of 26.5. Get it? So we have 36 is equal to r squared, 26.5 root multiplied by root of 26.5. That's going to be minus 26.5. So r squared is equal to 36 plus 26.5, which is 62.5. Therefore, r in this instance is equal to square root of 62.5. That is another valid way to look at it. Let's look at this other way. Now let's look at it from another way. This place is 9, this place is 4, this is 3, and the angle here is right angle. Here also is right angle. Now, let's find this place. BF. BF from ratio 3, 4, 5. So there's no less space time. You know this place is 5. 5 units. Now, this angle here, let's call it alpha. Sine alpha is 3 over 5. Cos alpha is 4 over 5. Let's see that. Now, we know that from these 2 points, we can have our radius. From here to here is r. From here to here is also r. Then, the total angle here, ABF, is 90 plus alpha. And you can see that this is 5, this is 9. So let's find the distance between this place, x. So we can now say that x squared is equal to 5 squared plus 9 squared minus 2 to 5 into 9 cos ABF. I know that ABF is equal to 90 plus alpha. Therefore, cos, if ABF is equal to 90 plus alpha, cos ABF is equal to minus sine alpha with this relationship. Cos ABF is equal to minus sine alpha. So let us introduce this into this equation. Therefore, x squared is equal to 5 squared plus 9 squared minus 90. What is sine? Times minus 3 over 5. So this is, that should be 18. So it's going to be 25 plus 81 plus 54. And on adding this, it's giving me 160. So x is equal to square root of 160. This one. Now since I know this angle here, I can get this angle here as well. Let's see how I do that. From the tables, I know that alpha is equal to 36 points. So this is 36.87 degrees. This is alpha here. So ADF is equal to 126.87 degrees. This is 126.87 degrees. Now let me draw. And you know, this one and this one, they are supplementary. Cyclic quadrilateral. So let's call this one ADF. Let's call this one T. So ADF is equal to 180 minus 126.87 degrees. And that is 53.13. So this is 53.13 degrees. So here I'm having 53.13. Which means that this place will be twice. You can see. So this place will be 2 times 53.13. So it makes the calculation of R very easy now. So I have something like this. S. R. And this is 106.26. I can use cosine rule, or I can cut the triangle into two similar triangles and then find x. So let's see. So I know what x squared is. I calculated it the other time. It is 160. So I can say x squared is equal to r squared plus r squared minus 2 times r cos 106.26. Cos 106.26. From here, and that is going to be r squared, 2r squared minus 2r squared cos 106.26. This is 2r into 1 minus cos 106.26. So r squared will equal to 160, that is x, divided by 2 into 1 minus cos 106.26. At the end of the day, r squared, after calculating, is equal to 62.5. You can see, r squared is equal to 62.5. And from there, I can realize that